We are following breaking news at this hour. The Delaware and Lehigh valleys have been hit by severe thunderstorms with heavy flooding. Those storms are moving east, but there is more on the way.
This is what happened this morning. You can see the floodwaters rushing onto the Schuylkill Expressway. Start on the eastbound side, heading towards the city, and then the floodwaters and the mud rushed over to the westbound side, forcing the entire closure of the Schuylkill Expressway. Again, these are pictures that came in this morning just after 11 o'clock when it all started. PennDOT rushed to the scene, and then they opened up a gate to allow traffic to turn around. This was westbound traffic, allowing commuters to turn around to head back towards the city, and that's what we have now, a virtual standstill on the Schuylkill Expressway as they try to clear out the floodwaters and the mud. Now this is a live picture from Sky 6. They again are continuing to turn traffic around eastbound, going back towards Center City because of the flooding and the mud. And of course, we will continue to update you on the Schuylkill Expressway, which remains closed right now because of the severe weather.
Gene Blum with PennDOT is now on the phone to bring us up to speed on exactly what's happening. Gene, thanks for joining us. We saw a number of vehicles earlier that looked like they were caught in the high water, but no water rescue is necessary here. I guess those people got out okay?
Yes, I'm not aware that there's been any person in any type of physical danger because of the situation today. A year ago, we put in a concrete metal swing gate in the median of I-76 to handle a situation like that. We've opened that swing gate, and we're relieving the backup westbound, the traffic westbound that was stopped. We're now swinging them around, and then they're proceeding eastbound. So we're trying to relieve that pressure also and putting that emergency operation into place.
All right, and we want to go back to the Schuylkill for a minute, Gene, because we're now looking at that swing gate. So if I understand you, traffic is being allowed to turn around to head back east because of that flooding?
That's correct, Rich.
Okay. And how long do you anticipate that to be in effect?
As long as this emergency situation's in place and then we have that lengthy queue on the westbound side, that traffic is just basically stuck at this point in time. So we're trying to relieve that pressure westbound, let the motorists get them on eastbound, and they can take an alternate route to get to their destination, because obviously that's far superior for them rather than just sitting in traffic and not being able to move. That's the purpose of this swing gate, is when you have an emergency situation, to help relieve that traffic backup.
All right. Gene Blum with PennDOT, thank you very much for coming on the phone and updating us on the situation. And again,